What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the best 20 tips and tricks for your new Fitbit Sense. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Serg-Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first of the few tricks that I'm going to be talking about, they're going to be how to go through the navigation of your new watch. The first one is going to be how to access to your quick settings, and this is going to be just a simple swipe right. Then if you want to access to the menu, all you have to do is swipe left. If you want to take a look at your notifications, you just have to swipe down from the top of the screen. And in order to get to the clock face, just press one time right here in this button that you're looking at. You can double click that to go to your shortcuts. And if you want to select a feature, you can long press in this button right here where you can choose what option or what app to open. I would also then on spot number 7 get a different band for your watch. You can find multiple bands online and pick the one that is best for you. Then on spot number 8 it's going to be free Fitbit Premium, and in case you did not know, at first when you get your Fitbit watch, you do get a premium access for free for a couple of months. In this case mine got 6 months of premium, so make sure you check that out in case you want to decide and get the premium option. Then on spot number 9, we're going to have install apps, and apps can make a lot of stuff easy. Fitbit smartwatches support installing a wide variety of apps, including popular ones like Uber, Spotify, Deezer, and more. Apart from that, you can install minigames like Flappy Bird, Snakes, Tic-Tac-Toe, and more. These apps and games can be found on the official Fitbit app. So first, set up the official Fitbit app to continue installing the apps. Then you're going to open that up and go to Applications. Then you're going to go to Accounts and select your Fitbit, and then you're going to take a look in Apps. The Apps section is divided into two sections. You have the currently installed apps and then All Apps. Once you tap on All Apps, you can explore the Fitbit store to install your favorite apps. Then on spot number 10, we're going to have Create a Key Shortcut, and on Fitbit smartwatches, it is possible to create key press shortcuts to make navigation easier. The haptic button that I showed you before is what makes it helpful for launching apps. So to activate it, go to your settings and then scroll down to shortcuts to set it up. There you'll get an option to set up what the Fitbit will do on a long pressing and double pressing button, and this basically it's kind of the same like the first trick that I showed you, but here you're going to be able to customize it. By doing this, you can quickly access to settings, Alexa, Find My Phone, Fitbit Pay, and more. Then we're going to have set up your widgets, and let's admit that widgets are the most essential feature as it makes access easier. By setting up the widget on your Fitbit, get quick access to your daily stats, water intake, weight, and more. Even check the weather condition at a glance before planning to go out for a walk. In order to access to the widgets, just swipe up from the clock face to see the widgets available. And at the bottom, you can tap on Manage to add more widgets if needed. You can also add more watch faces, and watch faces are amazing since Fitbit offers hundreds of watch faces to customize the watch. However, it has the limitation to have only 5 of them on the watch, so you will have to replace them with your favorite ones from the app, and to do this just open up the Fitbit app and go to Accounts. Then you're going to select your Fitbit and click on Clock Faces. Then you're going to go on All Clock Faces. Then I'm going to show you how to set up notifications, and frequently checking phones to know what's poppin'. It's quite inconvenient when you have a watch that shows notifications from the wrist. Fitbit can send smart notifications from your phone, including text messages, phone calls, or app notifications. To set this up, all you have to do is open the Fitbit app and go to your account. Then you're going to select your device once again, and you're going to go to Notifications to enable it. Once enabled, manually select the apps to send notifications, and it is recommended to not allow many apps. Instead, just select the ones that you actually need. You can also do the schedule sleep mode, and you might not want your Fitbit to disturb you while you're sleeping. To make sure you won't get disturbed by the notifications in the middle of the night, all you have to do is schedule the sleep mode. Once you do this, this will mute your watch from getting notifications, goal celebrations, and reminder sounds. Moreover, the watch brightness sets to dim and turns off the always on display. So on your watch, swipe left from the home screen and then you're going to go to your settings. You're going to scroll down to quiet modes and tap on it, and you're going to find sleep mode. Below that, tap on schedule mode and then schedule the sleep mode by adding the time. You can also set goals and targets, and Fitbit has a feature to set up primary goals and activity targets. This feature helps you get focused on your fitness journey by giving you the motivation to keep going. By default, Fitbit tracks steps as the main goal. However, you can choose between 5 main goals including steps, distance, calories burned, floors climbed, and active minutes. Setting a primary goal is up to your preference. For example, suppose you're a cyclist, so tracking steps is honestly just unreasonable. The better solution is to set distance or calories burned as your primary goal. To do this, just open your Fitbit app, go to your accounts, and select your Fitbit device. Then you're going to scroll down to main goal and select any one from the list. After you set the main goal, it's time to add your target by specifying the values. For instance, a target of 1,000 steps. Next up, we're going to have Pay on the Go, and like Apple and Google Play, Fitbit allows you to make secure contactless transactions from the watch, and having this feature makes the checkout process faster as you don't have to pull out your credit cards to make the payment. Moreover, it becomes convenient and effortless because it gives you freedom from carrying physical cards everywhere you go. To do this, once again, go to your Fitbit app, accounts, and select your device. Then you're going to tap on Wallet and create PIN. And finally, just enter your card info. And if you want to set up Bluetooth audio devices, honestly, by pairing an audio device with Fitbit, you can enjoy listening to songs through a physical device like headphones or speakers. So if you love going out for a walk, pair your Fitbit with Bluetooth headsets and enjoy the music on the go. To do this, you're going to go on your watch to your settings and then you're going to tap on the Bluetooth option. New devices has vibration and audio option as well, but here we're looking at the Sense and you're going to tap on Manage Devices. Then it will search nearby devices and when found, select the device and pair. When pairing is complete, a check mark appears on the screen. Then on spot number 18, we're going to have custom replies, and the best thing about Fitbit, it is its support quick replies. With quick replies, you can reply to messages directly from the wrist without taking out your phone from the pocket. To do this, just open up the Fitbit app and select Account. Then you're going to select your Fitbit device and go to Notifications. Later on, you're going to scroll down to the Quick Replies option, tap on it, and then on the next page, again, you'll find the Quick Replies option, tap on it. And that will be all. You can add custom messages and emojis as well. And then we're going to have See the Time even when the screen is off. So the screens are designed for fitness and activity tracking, but they have been created as a watch. You can make it easier to see the time at a glance without having to raise your wrist or tap on the screen by enabling Always On mode. To do this, all you have to do is swipe right from the clock face and tap the Always On display symbol, which looks like a clock. If not, you can always go to your settings and then head to your display, and right here you're going to see the option of Always On display. Then lastly, we're going to have Use your Fitbit to locate your phone. So Fitbit's Find My Phone app comes in handy when it comes to your phone, and just open it on your watch and your Fitbit will prompt to your phone to ring and vibrate until it's found. The Fitbit app must be running on your phone for this feature to work, and it's available of course on this Fitbit Sense. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and to also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.